Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix photo not sending in Instagram. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the device settings application and then scroll down a little bit. Here, access the app section and look for Instagram. After that, tap on the Instagram app and access the storage. Now, tap on the clear cache feature and then force stop the app. Now that you're done with that, get to the permissions feature and make sure the photos permission is enabled for Instagram. This will ensure the app has access to your device's photo library, which is necessary for sending photos. This will refresh the app and may help resolve any underlying issues causing the photo not to send. So that's basically how you can fix photo not sending in Instagram. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.